Number 1, cheating and infidelity. Now, this one may come across as obvious, but there's degrees to cheating that might slip past you. Let me tell you something about how a woman ends up cheating. It starts long before the actual act. If your woman seems overly involved with a male friend or coworker, or she seems emotionally dismissive and distant towards you, the alarm bell should start ringing. Because once you've lost the love and emotional commitment of a woman, her body is next to follow. Once it reaches the final stages, you might do more harm than good trying to win her back, and it might be time for you to keep your dignity intact as a man and part ways. Number 2, constantly walking on eggshells to avoid fighting. A woman that's constantly looking for a fight is the exact opposite of a woman that can be your peace. No man can live through a relationship like this. I mean, of course, there's gonna be times of emotional stress where she'll be more moody than usual, but you shouldn't be constantly walking on eggshells, fearing another fight. A relationship like this will have you calculating every word and every move you make. And because of this, you will eventually burn out.